हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू। बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए, तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू,
ओहो
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू,
आहा।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
बेकरार हो के दामन थाम लूं मैं किसका, बेकरार हो के दामन थाम लूं मैं किसका। क्या मिसाल दो मैं तेरी, नाम लूं मैं किसका। नहीं नहीं ऐसा हंसी कोई नहीं है, जिस पे ये नजर रुक जाए, बेमिसाल जो कहलाए, तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू,
ओहो
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू,
आहा।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
औरों की तरह कुछ मैं भी तोहफा आज लाता, औरों की तरह कुछ मैं भी तोहफा आज लाता। मैं तेरी हंसी महफिल में फूल लेके आता, जिन्हें कहा उसे क्या है फूलों की जरूरत, जो बाहर खुद कहलाए, हर गली का दिल धड़काए, तू जिए हजारों साल ये मेरी है आरज़ू।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू,
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
करो अंकल। करो करो અહીંયા મંગાજો કરો કરો અહીંયા મારું જો अंकल चलो करो करो छोड़ दे दिखू हाथी कर हाथी करो हाथी कर आवडे
તમારા તરફથી
અહીંયા સર અહીંયા જાઓ તમે પણ સામે સર અહીંયા જુઓ વેટ 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 સર તમે અહીંયા જુઓ હા વેટ અહીંયા સરજી સર ઓકે
મારો દીકરો સોહમ અને પ્રશાંતની દીકરી મેઘના એ બે જણાએ મળીને નક્કી કર્યું કે દાદાને માટે કંઈક આપણે સરપ્રાઈઝ કરીએ. સો બેઝિકલી એ લોકોએ પોતાની એક શોર્ટ મેમો જેવું લખ્યું છે અને એની અંદર પછી મને કીધું કે 4 વર્ડ લખવાનો. મેં કીધું મારે 4 વર્ડ લખવાનો એટલે મને કહે કે યા યુ વિલ હેવ ટુ રાઇટ 4 વર્ડ. એટલે એનીવે ઇટ્સ પ્રીટી લોંગ, આમ તો 14 પાનાનું છે પણ એમાંથી મેં જે લખ્યું છે એ આમ ગોઈંગ ટુ રીડ, અધરવાઇઝ બધા લોકોને ઊંઘ આવી જશે બધાનું વાંચવા જાઉં તો. પણ સો વોટ આઈ રોટ, my heart is full of joy and gratitude as I write this foreword for my beloved Dadduji, my father Ashok Desai, today on Father's Day 2025. એટલે હું તે દિવસે લખી દીધા એટલા માટે. He is a self-made man, very hardworking, humble, extremely friendly, a very loving husband and a caring father, and also forever young at heart. Despite spending his childhood without having his father's protective cover on his head, he made sure that he provides the best possible support system to his children. My brothers and I were all very lucky to have his caring, supportive and especially disciplined style of nurturing. Even though it was mostly our mother who constantly molded and guided us through her loving care, our father supported her in her efforts every step of the way. He became my hero after I witnessed how affectionately and lovingly he took care of my mother during her very long battle with cancer. He fought her battle alongside her, spending every moment with her so tenderly and loving her and cherishing her memories with the same intensity even today after her departure a few years ago. He is a great example of how age is just a number and that you can still be young at 90 when you have no regrets whatsoever about your life. You have so much curiosity to learn new things. You still enjoy the company of people from all walks of life. You still love being foodie and you keep up with the knowledge of everything that is happening in the world. He raised me like a princess and I am forever grateful for that. His love and care is always there for me and my brothers and our families. We, his children and grandchildren, pray to the Almighty to always keep him healthy, happy and cheerful just like he is today. May he continue to live his life to the fullest with the same grace and strength. We love you, Dadduji, and through this booklet, we want to thank you for being the best dad and for being the best Dada. So this was originally Soham's idea, and then there is an introduction from Soham. I think I will just read that part. If you guys want, this will be here. So if you want to read afterwards. So this is introduction from Soham. It was the time of COVID, and I was stuck in India, having been forced to take a break from the philosophy program that I was attending in Thane due to the lockdown. Dada and I have been shuffling in between my two mamas' flats in Goregaon and his own place in Kandivali. Because of how uncertain things were, there was a lot of negative news and pessimistic media going around. During all this craziness, one of the ways that we decided to spend our time and keep away from the negativity was by spending quality time together and talking about our lives. His life mostly, since I knew that there was so much that I didn't know about him and how he grew up. I interviewed him, and which he did. અને એક કલાકના એવા બે ઇન્ટરવ્યૂ લીધા છે એના દાદાના. So I interviewed him for the first time that year in 2020, and that was the initial seed for this piece that I'm writing right now. I knew that I had to commemorate the time that we had spent together, preserve the things that I learned from him and contribute to his legacy. In the future, I want my kids and my cousins' kids to know that their great-grandfather faced all sorts of adversity head-on. If possible, I want the world to know that my Dada spent his adult life working to give his children everything that he didn't have growing up, including a loving father. and I want myself to be able to come back and have something, a piece of my Dada, and remember the relationship that I was so fortunate to have with him. One that I was not able to have with the rest of my grandparents. I was either too young at that time or too immature to build a meaningful connection based on the quality conversation and shared experiences with most of them before they passed away. But I'm blessed to have received time from Ashok Dada as an adult. I don't know how much talent I have in writing, but my hope is that anyone who reads this will appreciate and admire the life of my grandfather a little more than before. So please enjoy. And this was the introduction. But anyway, so that's from all of your children and your grandchildren.
Thank you.
Now we're gonna have cake cutting. Yes, yes, yes.
Smile survey. हिम्मत रहिए एक मिनट. हाँ.
ले दादा ने खवडावશું દાદાને ખવડાવ ચાલ ले ले
साल भर में सबसे प्यारा होता है एक दिन, 100 दुआएं दे रहा दिल तुमको आज के दिन. I wish you happy happy birthday, happy birthday, happy happy birthday to you. I wish you happy happy birthday, happy birthday, happy happy birthday to you. लाए मेरी मन्नतें, पूरी हो तेरी सभी हसरतें, सारे जहां की खुशी हो तेरी, अब तो यही आरज़ू है मेरी. एक इशारे पे तेरे मैं जान लुटा दूंगा, तेरे ख्वाबों को हकीकत मैं बना दूंगा. I wish you happy happy birthday, happy birthday, happy happy birthday to you. I wish you happy happy birthday, happy birthday, happy happy birthday to you. I wish you happy happy birthday, happy birthday, happy happy birthday to you. I wish you happy happy birthday, happy birthday, happy happy birthday to you.